This boring one-page website is making over $4,000 every single month. But here's what nobody tells you. The 97% of people who try to copy this fail within 60 days. And I'm going to show you exactly why they fail. And more importantly, the one strategy they're missing that actually gets traffic. Look at these numbers. 400,000 visitors per month with a $10 RPM through Google AdSense. That's passive income while they're sleeping. Now, I know what you're thinking.
Great, another get-rich-quick scheme.
But here's where it gets interesting. What if I told you the person running this site spends less than 2 hours per week maintaining it, and they didn't get this traffic by ranking #1 for Age Calculator because they can't? They're competing against sites that have been around for 15 years. So how did they get 400,000 visitors per month? I'm going to show you their exact strategy in just a minute, but first, I need to show you why everyone else is doing this completely wrong. Here's the biggest mistake I see everyone making. They spend 2 weeks building the perfect calculator, clean design, smooth animations, perfect functionality. They deploy it, submit it to Google, and then they wait. Week 1, 5 visitors. Week 2, 12 visitors. Month 1, maybe 50 visitors total. And then they quit. But here's what they didn't realize. Building the website is maybe 20% of the work. The other 80%, that's the marketing strategy I'm about to show you. Now, I have zero coding knowledge, but I'm going to rebuild this entire calculator in the next few minutes using AI. But unlike every other video, I'm going to spend most of the time showing you how to actually get traffic, because that's what makes the money. Remember when I said this site doesn't rank for Age Calculator? Here's how they actually got their traffic. They created 1,247 individual pages, but not random pages, strategic pages. Every major celebrity's age, that's 500 plus pages. Every possible age-related question as a separate calculator, that's 300 plus pages. Blog posts answering specific questions, that's 400 plus pages. Each page targets a different keyword. And here's the kicker, most of these keywords have almost zero competition. How old is Taylor Swift right now? Ranking on page 1. Age calculator in Korean age system, ranking on page 1. What's my age in dog years? Ranking on page 1. They're not competing with the big sites. They're dominating the long tail. But here's where most people mess up. You might be thinking,
okay, I'll just create 1,000 pages using AI and wait for traffic.
don't do that. That's the second biggest mistake. I tried that once, created 500 pages in a week. Google didn't index a single one for 3 months. Why? Because I missed one critical element that Google absolutely demands in 2026. User engagement signals. In 2026, Google doesn't just look at your content. It watches what people do with your content. Do they click your result and immediately bounce back? Bad. Do they stay on your page for 2+ minutes? Good. This is why you need early traffic, even if it's not from Google. You need real people using your site, so Google sees engagement. Here's exactly what I did to get my first 127 visitors in 7 days for $0. Day 1 to 2, I searched Reddit for posts where people were asking age-related questions. Found 23 posts in 2 days. But here's the critical part. I didn't just drop a link. That gets you banned. Instead, I gave a genuinely helpful answer first. Then I said, or if you want the quick way, I built a free tool that does this. Result: 47 visitors in 48 hours. 6 of them signed up for my email list. Day 3 to 4, same strategy on Quora. Result: 34 more visitors. Day 5 to 7, Pinterest was the surprise winner. Created 10 pins with titles like How to Calculate Your Exact Age in Days and Find Out How Old Your Favorite Celebrities Are Right Now. Result: 46 visitors, and these pins kept driving traffic for months. Total: 127 visitors in 7 days. $0 spent. Those 127 visitors triggered Google's algorithm. 127 people visited my site. Average time on site, 3 minutes, 42 seconds. Google saw this and thought,
people seem to like this site.
And then something crazy happened on day 14. But I'll tell you what that was at the end. First, let me show you how to actually build this calculator, because if your site sucks, none of this matters. All right, we're going to use a tool called Lovable to build this entire calculator without writing any code. Let's tell Lovable what we need. Build a clean and simple website. The website is an online age calculator tool that helps users determine their age by inputting a date of birth and a specific date to calculate age up to the present using an easy-to-use input form with clear results display. And with that, Lovable is starting to build the app. And right away, we get a clean title at the top, Age Calculator, with a short description. Calculate your exact age with precision down to minutes. Just below that is the main form section with two simple inputs, one for your date of birth and another to choose the date you want to calculate age until. After entering both fields and hitting calculate age, the results show up instantly. You get your age broken down into years, months, days, hours, and minutes. Now here's where we add the traffic multiplier. We're going to add a celebrity birthday database. Each celebrity gets their own page. That's not just 500 calculators. That's 500 SEO optimized pages, each targeting a different search query. Let's add some upgrades. We're going to guide Lovable with this prompt. Automatically detect the user's time zone and calculate age accordingly. So let's drop in a test birth date. And right away, the app grabs the system time zone and includes that in the results. Next up, show the user's current age that updates live in real time. We enter a birth date, and the app starts tracking the user's age down to the second. Years, months, days, hours, minutes, and seconds all updating in real time. It's pretty cool. Now let's add display options. Add display options that show age in different formats. Traditional age in years, months, and days, total days lived, and total hours and minutes lived. Now sometimes it's just fun to compare your age with someone famous, so we're adding a celebrity feature. Add a famous people birthday section that includes a database of celebrity birthdays. This should include profile pages for each person with categories such as internet celebrity, actor, dancer, sports person, athlete, etc. And now there's a button on the main page labeled Explore Famous People Birthdays. Each profile has a card that shows a photo, a name, a birth date, their current age, and a short description. When you click View Full Profile, you get a detailed page with an exact age breakdown. Every single one of these celebrity pages is its own landing page, its own traffic source, its own ranking opportunity, but there's a problem. When you create 500 pages at once, Google gets suspicious. Here's the solution. Week 1, launch with 20 pages. Week 2, add 15 more pages. Week 3, add 15 more pages. By the end of month 1, you have 70 pages. To Google, this looks like natural growth, not spam. Now, let's talk about revenue. We're going to add Google AdSense. Add Google AdSense to the website to show ads in non-intrusive locations like sidebars or between tool sections. After a quick build, the placeholders are in place. Now, the homepage updates and the ads appear strategically placed. They're clearly visible, but not too disruptive. Now, it's time to connect the real thing. Head over to Google AdSense, sign in, and register your site. After entering the site name, grab the AdSense code snippet and paste it into your Lovable project. Approval usually takes anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. But once approval comes through, the site will start displaying real ads, and that means passive income is officially live. Now let me tell you the real money timeline, because most people expect to make money in month 1. Then they get disappointed and quit. Here's the brutal truth. Month 1, $0 to $5. Month 2, $5 to $20. Month 3, $50 to $100. This is where Google starts trusting you. Your domain age hits 90 days. You have 100 plus pages indexed. The compound effect kicks in. Month 6, $400 to $800. Year 2, $1,500 to $4,500 per month. This is the reality. Most people quit in month 2 or 3 when they're making $15 per month and think it's not working. But it is working. It's just slow. Now let me set up premium features for faster monetization. We're going to add Stripe for one-time payments, add Stripe to manage premium features, include a pricing section, and Stripe checkout page for handling payments. We connect to Supabase, create a new project, then add the Stripe integration. Pricing is $9 for one-time payment. The premium features are no ads, ad-free experience, and age comparisons. We grab the Stripe secret key from the developer section, paste it into Lovable, and click Apply Changes. Now the app updates to include a premium section and a clean pricing display. Let's test it. Click Upgrade to Premium. The app redirects us to Stripe's checkout page. Enter payment details, and the payment goes through successfully. Right after payment, the app updates automatically. A premium badge appears, ads disappear, and exclusive features are unlocked. Now let me give you the 3 fatal mistakes everyone makes. Mistake number 1, quitting too early. The average person quits on day 47, right before the compound effect kicks in. Mistake number 2, over-optimizing for SEO, under-optimizing for humans. Your content needs to be good enough that people actually use it. Mistake number 3, not building an email list. This is the big one. When you rely 100% on Google traffic, you're building on rented land. Google changes the algorithm and your traffic disappears overnight. But if you have an email list, you control your traffic. Here's how you get people to sign up. Offer daily celebrity birthday notifications. Offer a personal age milestones calendar. Offer weekly age fun facts. Result, 3 to 5% of your traffic will sign up. In 6 months, you have 5,000 plus subscribers. Now the content strategy, you need blog posts. Use AI to generate outlines for questions people are searching for. Questions like, how old will I be in 2030? Or what age is considered elderly? Each question is a blog post. Each blog post is a traffic source. Use AI to write the first draft, but add your own insights and personality. AI content is obvious. You need to humanize it. Publish 1 post per day. Consistent content equals Google loves you. Don't forget Pinterest. It's criminally underrated for utility tools. I created 50 pins for my age calculator. Each pin gets 500 to 2,000 views per month. That's 25,000 to 100,000 impressions per month from one content creation session. Format your pins like this. Vertical format, 1,000 by 1,500 pixels. Bold text overlay. Bright colors, clear call to action. Create 50 of these targeting different angles. Result, 25,000 to 100,000 monthly impressions. 500 to 2,000 monthly clicks. So now you know everything. You know how to build it. You know how to get traffic. You know the realistic timeline. But there's one question I haven't answered yet. Should you actually do this? Here's the honest answer. You should do this if you can commit to 12 months minimum. You're okay making $20 per month for the first 3 to 6 months. You enjoy creating content and solving problems. You should not do this if you need money in the next 30 days. You get bored easily and jump from project to project. You expect overnight success. The opportunity is real. The strategy works. The tools are available, but the question isn't, will this work? The question is, will you stick with it when you're making $27 in month 3? Because that's when most people quit, and that's exactly when the compound effect is about to kick in. So there it is, a fully functional, ad-ready, premium-enabled age calculator app built from scratch without touching a single line of code. But more importantly, you now have the complete roadmap. Hey, remember when I told you something crazy happened on day 14? Here's what happened. My first page hit the first page of Google. It was a long-tail keyword, age calculator in Korean age system. That page now gets 200 to 300 visitors per day. Just that one page. That's the power of this strategy. You're not trying to rank number 1 for age calculator. You're ranking number 1 for 500 different long-tail keywords. And when you do that consistently for 12 months, that's when you hit $4,000 per month. The choice is yours. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you at the next one.